All right, so we just received these batteries. Let's see if we can open it. Oh my God. It's hard to get them open. Wow, look at these things. They're gigantic. Take a look at them. These are 12600s right there. I don't know what I'm going to say. I think these are the size of the batteries that are in Teslas, but there's thousands of them. And here's the back of this, right? Here's the front. And they're used in flashlights. Well, you can read it. So yeah, so we got 4 of these. And then we got this thing, which I believe is the charger. If I can get it open. There we go. All right, so let's set that over there. Yep. This is the charger. It's got a USB-C that you plug it into. So if I was going to plug it in to charge it, I would just go like that. And then it kind of tells you what's going on. I'll grab these two and we'll put it in there. It shows you how to do it, right? So these go down, and then you shove that in there. Like that. Here, I'll show you. If I can get this to go down. There we go. Oh my God, it does not want to go down. Okay. So I got 2 of them in there, right? And it shows you what the where they're at. Might as well get the other 2 out. You know what I mean? Jelly beans? There they are. And let's go ahead and we'll put them in, right? Might as well. Not the easiest thing to push down. That is the negative side. That's the positive side. Just so negative side is going to be on the bottom, right? Oh, God. There we go. All right, so now we got it plugged in, and they're charging up. We'll let them charge up, and then we got to find something to stick them in. These are huge batteries. I've never even seen this size before. But that's the name of the company, right? This is the charger. That's how you charge it. And it does come with a little booklet that explains everything. But that's pretty much it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.